what are the programs that we are talking about when we are talking about the U.S. Scholar Program. We do right now, if you're watching us, we have a total of 42 awards open, and they are mostly research or teaching and research type of awards. And artists can apply, early career academics, mid-career academics, or senior academics can apply. And the biggest program that we have is the All Disciplines Award. Can you talk a little bit more? And the All Disciplines Award is the program that Tracy and Pablo applied to come to Brazil. Patricia, can you tell us a little bit more? What are the special things about this program? And who is it for?
Yeah, this is for mid-career academics, artists, and you can apply to be at any city in Brazil. You can select your host institution, and in this case, you need an invitation letter. So you have to discuss with your potential host about your project. That's more or less what Pablo was describing here. And also Tracy. The grant length, as I said, is between 2 to 4 months, and you can split your stay in Brazil. And we have a generous stipend and a travel allowance for both the flex option and the non-flex option. And once you are selected, you can start in July the same year of your selection.
Thank you so much. What about the Distinguished Scholars Award, and what is the main difference between this program and the All Disciplines Award program?
Okay, so the main difference is that these options here that you see on your screen are universities that with which the Commission has agreements. So differently from the previous one that we just showed, here you have the host institutions where you develop your work. So you'd have to select one of those to apply to your Fulbright Award in Brazil. And you have 9 institutions here to choose from in different areas.
It is one for each of those, and then the FAPESP Award is up to 2. So
yeah, that's correct.
So it could be a total of 10 in the end, but it's up to 2. So it can be 9 or it can be 10.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, and for everyone watching us, I think one of the main differences is that for this program, you already have an area of interest, and you don't need the letter of a host because
correct,
you already have a host defined. So this could be better or worse, depending on what you want to do and what your plans are. But this is a different program that we have open right now. A few important things to know: that also for the Distinguished Scholar Program, you also apply by September of the previous year, and the possible start is from July to May. And there is no Portuguese requirement for any of those programs, and you can make your visits flexible, either in the way that Pablo and Tracy did, or on our website, there's the description of all the flex possibilities that Fulbright Brasil offers. And our last award for today for U.S. scholars is the Fulbright FAPESP Postdoctoral Award in São Paulo. Can you tell us a little bit more about this program, Patricia?
Yeah, we offer up to 2 awards at the São Paulo State Universities that are affiliated with FAPESP in all areas. So for postdoctoral candidates, you have to be up to 7 years of experience. And here you also need an invitation letter to be eligible to apply.
One more important thing about the postdoc program is that you can do it in either 6 or 12 months. For candidates of all areas, like Patricia said, and your earliest start is July, and then the latest start that you can have is March, then if you're doing 6 or 12 months. If you have any specific questions that we didn't answer today, you can contact the IIE staff for technical questions and other questions, and then for Brazilian affiliation related questions, you can contact our staff in the São Paulo office, Patricia, Chris, and Vanessa, who are always talking to everyone. For more information about the applications and deadlines and everything, you can visit our website, fulbright.org.br/awards for U.S. citizens.